In this video, I am going to show you how to start working on your project. I hope you are all in this page of Canvas. So let's start from here. You can find your project description in this link. So let's download it from here. So I have downloaded it on my machine. So let's see where it downloaded. So it has downloaded in here on my machine. If you are using a different operating system, just check where all the files have been downloaded. So here in this file, this project classify oral intensity of each day of month, you can see your project description. So read it carefully. And in the end of this document, I have given some expected output. Anyway, so I hope you can figure it out how to open this Word document. Now, in this project, I have provided a partial solution for you from where you can start working on it. That partial solution can be found in this link. So, what you have to do, first download this file. And let's wait for a few moments, and it has downloaded this project classify oral intensity.ipynb. So let's go to the place where it downloaded. So it's here. Now what you have to do, you have to upload this project classify oral intensity.ipynb into your Google Drive in order to open it in Google Colab. So let me go to my personal Google Drive and upload it. So here is my personal Google Drive, and if I want to upload it, I just need to click this new button. Then I can click this file upload, followed by this. Let's find this project. So here it is, project classify oral intensity. Let us upload it in my drive. And here you can see whether it have been uploaded successfully or not. Once it have been uploaded successfully, let us search where it have been uploaded. So project classify oral intensity.ipynb. So here it is. So just double click the file, and it will open the file automatically in Google Colab, as you can see in here. So let's wait for a few moments until it opens. So now, as you can see, there are the partial part of code is done for you, and you can utilize this code. So what this code is doing is, it is first reading the data and storing it in a list. This part is done for you. So all you have to do first, you have to run this first block of code. It may take some time based on your internet connection, as well as the data size is a little bigger, so it may take a little more time. So you have to wait for a few moments. So let this part of code run, and then we will start. So my internet connection is a little bit slower, so it is taking a few moments. And now, as you can see, it has run properly, and by seeing this tick mark in the left hand side of the code block. Running this code means you already have your data inside this num elements array, and you can utilize this num element array for this all the part of code that you need to do. So here you can do like here, just read the instruction like print the type of KP index and value of its first and column from the element. So do that, write that part of the code, and in order to check the output, you can click the button over here and then go for the next exercise, that is calculate the total number of days for which the data is available. So read each of these instructions carefully and fill up the code in here. and the main part of the code that is also partially done for you. Here you have to classify write the code to classify the aurora, and you can see how to classify the aurora in your project description. So read that carefully first and then try to analyze this code, that how much part is done. And after understanding that, try to fill out this piece of code. That is, first you have to formulate the while loop condition in order to do the while, in order to get the actual solution. Then you have to calculate the sum of each day in here. Then you have to calculate the average in this part. Then you have to classify the auroral intensity using the if, elif, and else condition over here. And this way you have to get the full solution. Once you got the full solution, just download this full version of the code in your local machine. You can do that by clicking this file followed by this download and then download IPynB. Once you have click this one, it will download the full solution called full solution in your local machine. So in order to understand which one is the full solution, let us rename it. So here is my full solution. Full solution, then project classify auroral intensity. So it has downloaded. So I have renamed it to full solution project classification auroral IPynB. And after that, come back to the Canvas page where you are and upload this. So I have already made a Dropbox to upload your file. So in the similar project assignment page, you should be able to see some sort of upload button where you can upload your IPynB file that you just downloaded, the full solution. I have written the entire thing that I have just shown in the video in a step-by-step format, so you can also follow this write-up in order to work on the project.